Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be using our Ninja Foodi pressure cooker to air fry some really great potato wedges. Move over French fries because there's something better. So you ready? Let's get into this. For our recipe, we need some russet potatoes, a little bit of avocado oil, and our herb combination. This is a little bit of salt, pepper, granulated garlic, and truffle parmesan seasoning. This is the truffle seasoning that I'm talking about. If you have any trouble finding this and you have a Costco membership, they sell it over there. If you'd like to make this recipe, all the ingredients and measurements are down in the description of the video, along with the calorie count, the protein, the carbs, and the fat. The first thing we want to do is slice our potatoes. How you slice these just depends on how small you want your wedges. I'd like to get 6 wedges out of each one of these small potatoes, so I'm going to cut this in half first, and then you're just going to tilt this at a 45-degree angle, slice straight down, and this remaining piece will just kind of lay here flat, and you can just slice that right down the middle. Now we just have to do all the rest of these potatoes. Once we have these sliced, we can pour in our oil, and we'll toss these around a little bit just to make sure we get all that oil evenly distributed on our potatoes. If we don't do that, they're not really going to air fry properly. And also, the herbs won't stick to them really good either, so make sure you do your due diligence on this part. Once you've done that, we can throw in our herbs, and we'll mix these around in here as well. And you want to keep mixing these until they look like they're coated pretty evenly. And once these look pretty even, we can set these aside. Next, we'll open up our pressure cooker, and we're going to want to make sure that we have that bottom plate installed. If you do, we're going to take a thin layer of our potatoes and put them down at the bottom, just a little bit because you don't have a lot of space here. And we want to arrange these so we can get the basket up on top of that. Just about like that. Now we'll take the shelf that comes with the pressure cooker and set it right in there, just like that. If it doesn't sit down all the way, that's fine. Next, we'll add the rest of our potatoes right on top here. Make sure you spread those out as nice and flat as you possibly can as well. Now all we have to do is close up our machine, set your machine to air fry, and we're going to leave this at the default temperature of 390 degrees. Set your timer for 25 minutes, and then we can start the machine. Now all we got to do is wait. By the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Once that cook gets finished, we can check our results. And that top layer is looking mighty good. Now all we have to do is remove our top layer, stir these bottom ones around just a little bit, and we'll want to brown these ones down here just a little bit more. So we close this back up. We'll set this back on to air fry again. Again, we're going to leave it at 390 degrees, except this time we're just going to go for 7 minutes instead. All right, let's check these out again. Looking pretty good to me. What do you say we get these plated up? If you'd like to learn some more about Joe's Phenomenal, you can either watch a couple more videos or you can check us out online at joesphenomenal.com. Those potato wedges are great. Not only are they really tasty, but the fact that you're air frying them instead of deep frying them means you're going to save a ton of fat and calories. And that's great because it's going to help you keep that New Year's resolution you made about weight loss, just like the rest of us. If you like this video, you might like this video right here where we show you how to make some really great wasabi mashed potatoes. That's something special that I came up with, and whenever I prepare that for a gathering, it's always a hit. Kind of heavy on the calories though, so gotta be careful. Well, that's it for now. I hope to see you back again here really soon, and until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.